Hey, Mr. Clash here with a little bit of info on how to work out your war base's base weight and also how the bonus loot is calculated when you hit a base in war. They are based on the same numbers. So what we're going to have a look is a base that I hit in our current war, which is of course has ended. We did a perfect war and they just couldn't catch us. So this is the number 6 base. I was number 6 and I hit number 6. So what we're going to do first is work out the base weight of this base. This is what determines whereabouts in the map this base sits. So the first thing you do is you go to one of the storages in the base, and I'll show you how to verify this as well in a second. But if the base has not been attacked yet, this is how you can work it out. So you go to one of the storages, in this case we'll go to the gold storage, click on the info, this is in war day, and you will see the storage capacity. Now it says there is 13,600 within that storage. That's the number that we want. So jot that number down on a piece of paper, 13,600. Then what you do is you multiply that number, 13,600, by the number of storages there are. Now in a Town Hall 9 there are 4 standard storages, so there are 4 gold storages, and we now know that the Town Hall is also a storage. Not sure if that will show. Yes, there we go. The Town Hall also shows 13,600 as a storage. So that means there are actually 5 storages in a Town Hall 9. So the number of storages plus the Town Hall. Now 13,600 times 5. You multiply that number by 5 because there are 5 storages. If you were a Town Hall 8 and you only have 3 actual storages plus the Town Hall, then that number is 4. So the number of actual storages including the Town Hall. So storages plus Town Hall. So in this case 13,600 multiplied by 5 gives us 68,000. So that base would be known as a 68k base. That's the base weight and what it weighs to help determine where it places on the war map. Regardless of anything else, that is the number that this base calculates at, and that's why it places in this position on the war map. Now what does that mean? Can we verify that? Well, this is how you work it out before an attack. Once an attack happens, and we'll go to the replay now. I'll just pause it. Have a look at that top loot. Available loot, 68,000. So that matches, yeah? 13,600 times 5 equals 68,000. So if you've ever wondered where this number that comes in the top left, when you attack a base, that's where it comes from. Now, I've got to go back to that and show you the loot bonus. So here we have the loot bonus. The war win bonus for this base is 510,000 and some 2,300 dark. So how is that calculated? Well, what you do in that case is you take the base weight number. Now we'll just work that out as 68,000. So we can call that 68. And you multiply that number by 6. So 68,000 or 68 multiplied by 6 is 408. So if this was a level 1 clan, the loot bonus would be worth 408. But because we're at level 9, the perk is 25% extra bonus. So you add 25% of 408 onto 408. So of course 25% or 1/4 of 408 is 102. 102 plus 408 equals 510. So that is a little bit of info on how you work out the base weight, which determines where the base sits in a war, and how that war win bonus is calculated based on the base weight or determined by the base weight. Now in this particular case, we'll go up to the next base, number 5, have a quick look at it. and you'll see same loot bonus. If I click on one of the storages and I bring that up, you will see that it says 13,600. So technically this has the same weight as the base below it, number 6. So what's the difference? The difference is that this one has more lava walls and the heroes are higher. A level 20 queen, just zoom in a little bit, level 20 queen and a level 18 king. And if we go down to base number 6, we can see that there's a level 16 queen, a level 16 king, and it doesn't have anywhere near the number of lava walls that the other one had. If we go down to base 7, you can see that straight away 502,000 is the bonus, so we know its weight is less. Click on a storage, bring that up. Oh, okay, that's a wall piece. That doesn't tell us anything. Click on this storage, 13,400. So we can see that straight away this will be worth less as a base, and when you zoom in on the king and queen, you see that they are level 15 and he's got skull walls still. So that is why his base is weighing less than the base 6 above, and why base 6 and 7, even though they have the same weight, why one is placed above the other due to the walls and the hero, the level of the hero levels. Anyway, that's all I wanted to tell you today, and that is how to work out your base's weight. That's the determining factor of where it sits in the map, and how you can use that to work out, or how that is used to work out how much war win bonus you get when you defeat that base. So that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.